In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scroll animation. Adding scroll animations to your design can give it an engaging, dynamic feel, seamlessly drawing user attention and enhancing the overall experience. Whether you're working on a website layout or a presentation, these steps will guide you through creating and managing scroll animations with ease. First, let's start by selecting the element you want to animate. This could be anything from a text box to an image or a specific section within your canvas. Once you've identified and selected this element, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editor interface. Here, you'll find the Open Inspector icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action opens up a range of properties you can adjust for your chosen element. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Animations and Effects tab that appears within the Inspector panel. Now, this is the central hub where all your animation options reside. To begin adding a scroll effect, click on the plus icon labeled Add under the Scroll section. This will enable you to set up a new scroll animation for your element. Once you've initiated the process, you'll need to decide a few parameters for your animation. Start by choosing which element specifically will showcase the animation. This is a great way to confirm the focus of your scroll effect. Following this, you'll be presented with a choice under animation type. Here, you have two options, in or out. An in animation will let your element, for instance, fade into view as you scroll down the page. Alternatively, an out animation will allow the element to fade out of view as you scroll. Select whichever suits your design needs best. After this step, take some time to choose an animation style from the list provided. An excellent tip that can help you make the perfect choice. Hover over each animation option to see a preview in action. This way, you can get a better feel for how the animation will look and work within your design. Now that you've added a scroll animation, you might want to know how to remove it in case you change your mind or decide on a different direction for your project. Here's how you can manage that. Start by selecting the element or section that hosts the scroll animation you wish to remove. Just like before, access the Open Inspector icon at the top right corner of the editor. Once again, head to the Animations and Effects tab. Now hover over the current animation in place. You'll notice a More Actions icon appear. Click on that and then select Remove. This action will take away the scroll animation, bringing your element back to its static state. By following these instructions, you'll have full control over scroll animations in your design projects, adding layers of interactivity that captivate and communicate effectively with your audience.